Leapfrog. This is the second print of the box, the inner parts of that box that I've printed on the second video and started on the first video using Aqua Net hairspray on the build plate. So I highly recommend this. This is just to let everybody know that it does work. Just to prove a point, there's no paper here, no nothing, just Aqua Net hairspray. See these little tiny pegs? They won't even hold up on that sticky paper, but it holds very well with the Aqua Net spray, and they release very easily. So you see, they come off very easily with the Aqua Net hairspray. Nothing to worry about. I'll put that here with the box so I can put it together later. And remove these legs. Aqua Net hairspray. See how easy that comes off. Very nice. And I gotta take these out. These I normally just a little push. Take them right off. No big deal. That's how easy they come off with the Aqua Net hairspray. This all belongs together with the box, which later I'll show you what is it I'm doing. Scrape off the brim. Don't need that anymore. Give the bed a nice little scrape. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Spray again, nice even coat, not too heavy, just even up and down, across, and you're ready for the next print.